My name is Carly.
And I am Allison, and today we will be making DIY Play-Doh. And the reason we're doing this is because we're out of school right now, and we're looking for fun things to do over what I call break. So let's get started.
1 cup of flour.
You will also need 1/2 of a cup of salt.
Right there.
You will also need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Man. Oh man. Here.
No. You do it and hand it to her, please.
Oh no!
Yeah, I messed it up big time.
Level it off. No, level it off.
No, I'm gonna.
I can't do it today.
No, we need
1
tablespoon of oil.
Then, with a parent's help, boil some hot water and then add your food coloring. You can do whatever color you like. We're using blue. Next, you're gonna stir your mixture with your spoons, and as soon as it cools down, you're gonna use it with your hands.
Strong. Flour is strong. It's getting hard. All your muscles.
Is it still hot? You want to test it?
No, it's not hot.
Okay, so go ahead and start using your hand.
Yeah, alright.
Take your spoons out. Scoop it off the spoons.
Oh my gosh.
Make sure you get all the sides too, because it'll get caught up in there. Yeah, make sure you keep doing it with your hands so it's not sticky.
It's gross. Look at my hand. They look like a zombie.
My gosh.
I got it. When you're done mixing with your hands, it will look like this. With any food coloring.
Yeah, and you can wrap it in plastic wrap or put it in a little baggie that keeps it safe, and it can last up to 6 months and keeps it fresh. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.